an entrepreneur or small business owner new to business world? Looking for business growth with proven marketing and sales strategies without tech overwhelm? Hi, I'm Ramesh Dewangan, the founder and CEO of Quantum Vision Consulting. Having successfully transitioned into entrepreneurship after a long corporate career, I struggled to become an entrepreneur, especially in marketing and sales. I now specialize in transforming businesses through business strategy and tech systems, enabling you to focus on growth and success so you don't have to go through the same struggle as I did. Welcome back to Business on Autopilot and the final episode in our AI in Small Business mini-series. I'm your host Ramesh Dewangan. Over the past 4 episodes, we have talked about what AI really is, where to start with simple tools, how to use AI for customer growth, and how to streamline your operations. Today, in episode 5 and in the concluding episode, we'll wrap it up by looking at the bigger picture, how to future-proof your business with AI without losing the human touch that makes your brand unique. Does it sound interesting? Okay, then let's get on with it. AI is powerful. AI is powerful, but it comes with a challenge. If you automate everything, you risk sounding robotic or impersonal. Customers may feel like they're talking to machines, not people. The goal isn't to replace your human connection, it's to enhance it. AI should do the heavy lifting behind the scenes so you and your team can focus on relationships, creativity, and service. Here is where I see AI taking small businesses in the future. First is hyper-personalization. AI will analyze customer preferences and suggest personal offers, messages, and experiences. This kind of personalization is going to grow more and more as AI advances. Second, smarter decision making. Instead of endless spreadsheets, you'll have dashboards that recommend next step in plain English. No more understanding complex spreadsheet or entering formulas or sifting through several sheets. You'll have all in one place, explained in plain English. Number 3, 24/7 availability. Chatbots and assistants will handle inquiries while you sleep, but escalate to humans when needed. And that will also ensure that businesses will be a lot more effective globally, given the time differences between countries. The key is balance, automation for efficiency and humans for empathy. One of my clients, a coaching business, struggled with follow-ups. They wanted to stay in touch with every prospect but didn't have time for personal outreach. We set up AI-driven email and SMS follow-up tied to their CRM. The AI handled reminders and shared resources and checked in just the right intervals. But here is the key. We also built in human checkpoints. Every few weeks, the coach personally reached out with a voice message or a quick call. The result, their pipeline stayed warm, conversion rates improved, and client felt cared for. The AI created consistency while human touch built trust. Clients loved the fact that the coach personally reached out to them. So how to future-proof your business? Here is a framework. Number 1, start small, then scale. Begin with one AI tool that solves a clear pain point. Build from there. 2, keep the human element. Use AI for the routine and save your voice for the moment that matter the most. Number 3, review regularly. Every few months, audit how AI is working in your business. Ask, is it saving time? Is it improving client experience? Or clients are feeling like they're getting the poor quality of service because of the use of AI. Fourth, stay curious. AI will keep evolving. Commit to learning a little at a time instead of waiting until you're ready. It will be an evolution. Join some coaching network, partner with some trusted technologists, and be in the know about how AI is evolving and how you can leverage more. This way, AI becomes part of your strategy, not just another shiny tool. A few pitfalls to watch out for. Number 1, over automation. Don't make your business feel cold. If you over automate, then you're losing the human touch and you will be perceived as a cold business by the prospects and clients. Number 2, chasing every new AI app. Must avoid. You need to focus on what serves your goals. As I mentioned, you'll get bombarded with the offers to try new tools. Don't fall for it. Number 3, ignoring training. Even simple tools need onboarding for your team. So don't skip that part. Otherwise, your team members will keep on trying, learning from mistakes, and revising all the work that they have done. Remember, AI is here to support your business, not run it for you. When I started using AI in my business, I made a lot of these mistakes myself. I used to evaluate one AI tool every week because I thought maybe that is going to help my business. Then I realized that I was really wasting a lot of my time. I also over automated. I did a lot of the content creation automatically, and sometimes I failed to customize it and put my own voice onto it. I got feedback that my messages are not landing. Lastly, I did ignore training as well. I started training my own, pushing the tools to my staff without onboarding. I have learned hard way, but you don't have to. You should avoid these common pitfalls so that AI can support your business in the best possible way. So here is your final action step from the series. Choose one area where AI can support you in the background and one area where you will double down on human connection. The balance will keep your business efficient, personal, and future-proof. That wraps up our AI in Small Businesses series, where we did 5 episodes. If you have been following along, you now have a roadmap. You understand AI, start with easy tool, grow your customers, streamline your operations, and keep the human touch. If you would like consultation on how AI can help you, please visit quantumvisionconsulting.com and click on the AI Assistant button. Then fill out a form to contact me and book a consultation with me. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.